Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be featuring Flatweave rugs. Now, Flatweave rugs are rugs that are woven without a pile. They're relatively easier to make in comparison to a pile because they don't have a pile to them. And for the most part, they are reversible as well. Now, this specific Flatweave rug that you see here is called a jajim, where it has these individual pieces that have this overall horizontal design, and the pieces are kind of sewn together to make a full rug. So Flatweave rugs originate from all different areas of the world. You'll have Kilims that originate from the Middle East, you'll have Navajo rugs that originate from South America, and then you'll have Duris that originate from India. This specific one is a Persian Flatweave rug. It's known as a Sene from the Bijar region of Iran, and this type of a weave is a very unique weave. It's called a shabake weave, where you'll see these very unique, almost diamond-shaped type of weaves that are integrated together and locked all the way through. Now, this is an antique Caucasian Shahsavand rug. It's a collectible item. It has a lot of age to it, and it has a very unique sumac weave. As I mentioned, a lot of Flatweave rugs can be reversible and they can be used on both sides. However, as you can tell, because this is a sumac weave, one side is a little bit more flat and then the back side is a little bit more textured. Now, something to keep in mind is that when it comes to Flatweave rugs, one of the best elements of Flatweave rugs is that they're very much lightweight. And that's what makes them so great for tourists when they're on vacation. They love to buy these type of rugs because they don't take much weight in their luggage. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our blog on rouzatirugs.com, where we share some great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.